YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to give you a solution of a problem what most iPhone users are facing, and that is water damage of iPhone. Before talking about the water damage solution, let's talk about the reason why does this happen. Apple has started using IP68 rating from iPhone XS, and they says that this IP68 rating is water resistant and this will protect our iPhone from being water damaged. But it is a matter of sorrow that this IP68 rating is also getting water damaged. And guys, there is a reason behind this. When the phone get overheated, then the water resistant seal may get melted or damaged within 5 to 6 months. Then when our phone drops into water, that time easily get water damaged as the water resistant seal has been damaged already. So guys, make sure your phone is not overheated and the water damage seal may not be harmed. Now let's talk about the solution. Today I'm here with very interesting technique, and that would be very effective method if you follow it properly. And now I'm gonna show you silica gel method. If you don't have silica gel, then please use raw rice instead of this silica gel. I hope you have raw rice at your home. Now let's go to silica gel method. You guys must have seen this silica gel from your childhood inside new bags, shoes or etc. But this time we need more amount of silica gel. You have to buy it from camera shop, and after buying this silica gel, if you see any crystal gel, that means there is some moisture in those silica gel. So we must remove that moisture from the silica gel so that those gel can easily absorb the water from the water damaged phone. For that, you can dry them in the sun for an hour or dry it with a hair dryer very quickly. After that, the silica gel will turn into this white color from that crystal color. That means there is no moisture anymore. Now come to the main process and make sure your iPhone is turned off, and don't plug in your iPhone with charger. And if you get any moisture or fog inside your camera, then please keep it turned off. And if you don't have this silica gel, then please use raw rice instead of this silica gel. And you have to keep your phone like this for more than 24 hours, and make sure your box is airtight. And if you get any trouble, please go to Apple Authorized Service Center. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel.